Hello everyone. Today let's see how to grow capsicum at home in 60 days. These are the cute capsicums that I grew. So first you need to collect the seeds from capsicum before you cook. Anyway, you cut them, right? So collect those seeds and dry them in shade for a month. There are some do's and don'ts while growing capsicums. So let's see what they are. So do's: you need to sow a lot of seeds, at least 50 seeds, because they have low germination rates. And you need to sow the seeds at the end of rainy season or winter. And after the sapling grows, you should keep it in a position with lots of sunlight. And the don'ts are just don't sow it in peak summers and don't sow the seeds without drying. So I failed 5 times in growing capsicum last year because I didn't know that we shouldn't sow them in summers. I tried it throughout the year. Finally, I was successful at the end of November, I think, and this particular sapling grew, and I wasn't even sure if it was capsicum because there have been several times before when I sowed capsicum seeds and a few days later some plants came up and I thought they were capsicum. But after a few days of growth, I saw several pictures on Google and confirmed that it's capsicum. 20 days after transplant, this was the stage. You can see the progress with time. Here by 28th day, you can see one small bud. As time progresses, by the time at 36 days, you can see the bud bend downwards. And by 40 days, there were many more buds. And the first one bloomed by 41st day evening. And by 42nd day, it was like fully open. To pollinate, you can tap the plant slightly, but later I didn't have a problem with pollination because all of the flowers got pollinated. And you can see by 43 days, there were many more buds. And they bloomed really well. By the time it was 45 days, I could see a tiny capsicum. You can see a zoomed in picture here of my tiny capsicum. That's the first one. And with time you can see it increasing in size. After 50 days, like I had 5 or 6 capsicums on the plant. The thing is, almost every flower I think got pollinated and turned into a fruit. You can see here, on this day I think there were 14 capsicums of different sizes. They were like 8 on top and 6 at the bottom. Yeah, so this is at 52 days, and 52 days you can see the number of flowers. So the one on the left is the biggest one, the first one. On this plant you can see like various stages of the flowers. Some are just at budding stage and some have flowered, some have dried up, and some are turning into fruit. Because all of them turned into fruits, I had to give some extra mud and extra compost at this stage. On the 54th day I plugged the biggest one and used it in my pav bhaji, and today is the 55th day. So this is my video of capsicums, and hope you get successful in growing this too. It requires patience, but look at the results. They are worth it. And if it's still a little cold at your place, do sow them if you have dry seeds. And it's better if you sow it before the first half of Feb, and wait for the results. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Budget Balcony Garden.